Professors can only help you, make you aware that there is something called flight plan. But they cannot prepare it for you. You are unique. Not only are the powerful human beings, at the same time, each one of us are unique creation on this planet. There is no parallel. There's no copy of anybody in the entire history of human beings. If you are unique, if you believe in that, what that uniqueness brings to us in this spaceship, what do I contribute, what do I add as a unique person? If I don't, I'm wasting myself. So university's role is to make you aware. Please don't waste yourself. You can change the whole world. That's the uniqueness you got. But all you got busy, how to get a job. Once you get a job is done. See, we threw away all the thing nature has given to us. Not use it. We are genie, but behave like everyday human beings. Never felt like a genie. Never used the power of the genie. So university that I think of is when somebody shake you up. Wake up. You're a genie. Take care of, take the responsibility of your generation's mark on the spaceship, what you do.
Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Get the latest update on www.daily-sun.com.